So this is the blizzard of 2011. As you can see, it is so high. Here is our fence. Here's our fence door, and you can see it's just the snow is piled up to the door. Look at that. Coco, it's up to you. It is insane. This is our neighborhood. Some person got their car stuck over there. Yeah, that's our sidewalk. It's just crazy, and it's still coming down. I reckon, they say we've had 20 inches, could have as high as 25. I mean, look, this is my waist. I don't know if you can get the visual of that. There's Leo. He won't keep his hat on. Okay, here's where you need to go. Turn left right over here. We're going to go through the alley. People down there. That's the street. Okay? You cannot tell where the sidewalk and the street end. Go ahead, Coco. Keep walking. Can you get through that? Yeah. Do you want to see where Dad is? Turn around. Let's go this way. We'll cut through Brian and Kathy's house, and you can go play in the alley. And from this angle, you can see Coco. The snow is actually above Coco's head. There's the snow up the house, all the way down like that, and there's Coco. For visual, let me stand up a little higher. You can see she's buried in snow. That's snow. A wall of snow. Here's our alley, and Rich and Brian and a couple other neighbors are digging us out. But you can see that's snow piled up to the garage. Look at that. You can't open the garage.
Hey, look at you! Hey, Coco. What do you think about this snow?
They have managed to plow us out, but there's an alley down there. Kids playing. Leo, you can't get down. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. I gotta go. To a garage near our house.
Hi, Coco. Look at that.
Blizzard of 2011.
There's the garage. We cleared it. Look at this mound of snow.
Crazy.
4 to 6 foot drifts.
This is as tall as me.
I know.
All right, I gotta get Leo in. Bye.
Okay.
Look at Coco.
Look at poor Leo's. Look at his face. Oh, little guy.
We gotta get you inside.
Okay.
He wanted
See
to come
ya.
out, but.